1405 is the room we're staying at. It's the 1-bedroom suite. Give you a little tour. Excuse our luggage here. As soon as you enter, you got your closet space. Open up these closets. A lot of closet space here with some drawers. And then you're safe on this side. Again, a lot of space throughout. All your coffee maker amenities. Hairdryer was in there. It's not in there anymore because I'm using it. And then moving along, you got your washroom. Right when you enter, your toilet, sink, vanity. Very nice. And then your seating living room area. Now that is a sofa bed. Pulls out, you can use it as a sofa bed. Very high ceilings. And then a connecting room in case you needed to book 2 rooms together. You get a little mirror on this side, top to bottom. And then the view, we got the canal view here. Hard to see right now since it's nighttime. But the view is beautiful. Little coffee table. And then on the corner here, you got a little desk with the coffee maker on top, a seat, another mirror, your TV, some cabinets on the bottom. And then moving along, again, excuse my luggage here. Got some light switches to control everything. You got your closet. Some robes inside. Ironing board with the iron. And then your king size bed with a TV and another dresser on the bottom with the mini fridge and this one. Got a lamp on the corner here, lamp on the bed sides. Again, same view. And then moving all along, you got your master bathroom, your tub, your soaking tub right here with the shower. Your toilet, your standing shower with the rain shower on this one. All your amenities included. And your sink with a vanity as well. So this is pretty much the 1-bedroom suite at the Radisson Blu Canal View. The hotel does have a couple of restaurants on site. You can find Bai Bar and Terrace on floor P2. Adjacent to that is the business class lounge, which does require special entry. On floor MF is the Larder restaurant. Here they do serve breakfast and all you can eat buffet style. Both restaurants do offer outdoor seating. You can also take advantage of room service and dine right in your room. A few other amenities the hotel offers that we didn't get a chance to check out was the outdoor pool, fitness center, and spa. Well, there you folks have it, Radisson Blu Canal View. If you guys have any questions about the hotel or the room, be sure to put it in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching.